Hello friends, this is the first chapter of your class 7 VMAT booklet series. Okay, so chapter 1 is series completion and inserting the missing characters. Now first of all we have to learn that what is a series. So a series is a uniform set of one or more digits, letters, figures, etc. in which the terms follow a certain rule. To complete a series or identify a term, student is required to identify the rule on which the given series has been formed. Now, let us see the first example of this series. What is given in the first example? Choose the missing term to complete the given series. So we have a series 3, 5, 10, 12, 24, 26 and 52. Now we have to find out what is the next term in this series. So what we will do is, see here, as we can see in the first term, that is 3, we are adding 2 and we are getting 5. Now in the second term we are multiplying by 2 and we are getting 10. And again in the third term when we are adding 2 we are getting 12. And in the fourth term when we are multiplying by 2 we are getting 24. So in this way we can clearly see that the pattern is plus 2 multiply 2 plus 2 multiply 2 plus 2 multiply 2. So in the final term, that is 52, we will add 2 and we will get 54 as our answer. So the correct option is C, that is 54. Now coming to the second example. See, here 5 consecutive figures P, Q, R, S and T given below from a series by using a definite rule. Select a figure from the options to continue the series. Now what we have given here, we have given 5 figures, that is P, Q, R, S and T, and in each figure you can see that there are 2 elements. One is a smaller one and one is a bigger one. Now from moving P to Q we can see that the smaller element is getting enlarged, that is S is enlarging and 1 is getting shorter. So here in the from R to S again we can see that the smaller element, that is some incomplete rectangle, is getting enlarged and the bigger element is getting shorter. So in the same way from T to next one we can see that the L shaped element will be getting smaller and the trapezium shaped element will be getting enlarged. So the correct answer will be option number D. Now let us solve some different kind of questions here. See, this is kind of inserting the missing character. In this type of questions you will be given a picture in that some letters or numbers will be missing. So you have to find out the pattern, which pattern is being followed by the rest of the images, and choose the correct option from the following 4 options. Now as we can see that here when we multiply 3 by 2 we will get 6. 3 multiplied 2 will be 6. Now if we will subtract 1 from 6 you will get 5. So this is 5 we have. Now coming to the next figure, here 4 multiply 8 will be 32. Now subtracting 1 from 32 we will get 31. In the same way when we will multiply 9 with 3 we will get 27, and when we will subtract 27 1 from 27 we will get 26. So 26 will be our correct answer here. 26 will be our correct answer. So option number C will be our correct answer. Now here now we will have some exercise questions. Let us solve some exercise question here. See, here what is given in this question 1? 1, 4, 2, 8, 6, 24, 22 and 88. Now very clearly you can see that first what we are doing, we are multiplying by 4, then we are subtracting 2 from 4. So we are getting 2 here. Now again we are multiplying by 4 and from 8 we are subtracting 2 like this. So we are getting 6. Now again we are multiplying by 4 in 6. We are getting 24. Now again we are multiplying, we are subtracting 2. So in this way we can see that first we are multiplying 4, then we are subtracting 2. So this pattern is multiplying 4 and subtracting 2. Here if we will see in the last term, so we have to subtract 2 from 88. So what we will get as our answer is 86. So the correct answer will be 86. Now coming to the next question. Here the next series is 18, 24, 21, 27, question mark, 30, 27. Now as we can see that here 18 plus 6 will be 24. Again 24 minus 3 will be 21. Now 21 plus 6 will be 27. Now what the series, can you predict? This is a plus 6 minus 3, plus 6 minus 3 series. Now if we will subtract 3 from this 27, what we will get? We will get 24 as our correct answer. So in this way you can solve such questions. Okay, you can take the screenshot of these questions and try to solve this question by your own. If you will get any problem, we will give you the correct answer, we will help you. Okay, take the screenshot.